Transport, First Standard, Term 3, Unit 3, EVS. What are the different vehicles that you see on the road? How you come to school? What is the meaning of transport? Transport means movement of people and goods from one place to another. Today, we travel by road using scooters, auto rickshaws, cars, buses, vans, trains. A train can carry many more people than a bus or a van. We travel in the air using aeroplanes and helicopters and on water using ships and boats. We can travel long distances in a short time using these modes of transport. They need fuel, petrol or diesel to move. So here are some examples of transport. Scooter, auto rickshaw, car, bus, van, aeroplane, ship, train. A fire engine and an ambulance, they are called special vehicles. A fire engine helps us to put out fires, whereas an ambulance helps to take sick people to the hospital. So we should always give way to fire engine and ambulance. Here we need to tick the vehicles that use fuel to move. So we have auto rickshaw, truck, aeroplane, ambulance, bike. Story of transport. In early times, man walked, used palanquins or animals like elephants, horses to travel from one place to another. Elephants were used to travel across thick forests and were trained to carry loads and people. Then man invented the wheel. No vehicle on the road can move without the wheel. Man used the wheel to make carts. He used animals like horses, bullocks, donkeys to pull carts with loads and to travel. He made chariots and bicycles using the wheel. Then came all the vehicles that we see today: cars, buses, trains and auto rickshaws. Color the circle for the two-wheelers in blue and for the four-wheelers in red. Bicycle, two-wheelers, blue. Car, four-wheelers, red. Motorbike, two-wheeler, blue. Van, four-wheeler, red. Pushcart, four-wheeler, red. Bicycle. All of us love to ride this vehicle. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's the bicycle. The bicycle has changed from olden times to the present day. Now here are the parts of the bicycle: handlebar, wheel, pedal, chain, seat. Now here we need to connect the parts of the bicycle with their names. Road safety. To be safe on the road, we must follow some rules. Follow the signal. Red means stop, yellow means get ready, green means go. Always walk on the footpath. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Cross when the symbol of a person walking turns green. Never hide behind vehicles. Never run or play on the road. Think and answer. We should cross the road only at a zebra crossing. Why? It is meant for pedestrian to cross the roads. Why it is called a zebra crossing? Because it has stripes of a zebra. Pick the correct word or a phrase. Go when the green light is on. Walk on the footpath. Cross at the zebra crossing. Here we need to take the correct one. First one is the ambulance. Second one is ship. Third one is bus. Fourth is aeroplane. Fifth one is bicycle. Number the vehicles from 1 to 4 based on the number of people they can carry. Bicycle number 1, car number 2, bus number 3, train number 4. Match the words with the picture. Fire engine, ambulance, car, train, bike, aeroplane, bicycle, lorry. Identify and take the modes of transport used in the earlier days, the first one and the third one. Take the correct action. The second one, people are crossing at zebra crossing and people are walking on the footpath.